I got something for you. I got something for you. What is it?
I don't know.
Oh no.
It seems like a toy.
Open it.
What is this? Another box? No. My play button's here? Wait. Oh my god, it's here. I have an idea. It's not letting me grab it. Guys, it's here. It's finally here. Okay, it says, can you me read it to y'all? It says, do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do. You can pause if you want to read this. This is amazing. It's here! I did it!
Isn't that exciting?
Yes, I got it! My first play button! Yeah! It's here. I finally got my first play button.
How do you feel? You got your first play button.
I feel amazing. So just in case, I'm just gonna tell you something about this. If you ever got a play button, this is not gonna be your only play button. If you reach 1 million subscribers, passing it, you'll get a golden one. And then if you reach 10 million, I think, you'll get a play button. I don't think you call it play buttons, but these call it plaques, I think. So you'll get the first play button, I'll get another play button after that, and you'll get the most exciting one of all. It's a red play button. I think it's 100 million subscribers. I don't know, but it's so good to have my first play button in history. Thank you, YouTube, for giving me my play button. That's a huge thanks. And you know what's written over you guys? My channel. And it says for passing 100,000 subscribers. It's so good. Thank y'all guys. Thank you everyone that's watching this video. Thank you everyone to me. Thank you everyone that likes my videos. Everyone who commented, replied, or something like that. Thank you for helping me get this. My mom never told me about it. I don't know where to put this. This is just so amazing. I finally got it. If you can comment if you want me to put it in my room. You can comment if you want wherever I want to put it. But the main thing, I think the best one's to put it in my room right next to my table. It's showing it's going to be me remembering my first YouTube play button. And I have to keep working hard making long videos. My promise to y'all is to make over 10-minute videos. I'll start making longer videos from now on in my whole entire life. And guys, thank you all for supporting me. Y'all are the best. My schoolmates, classmates, my friends that are not in my class from another school, other people that subscribe to me. Everybody's the best. You should keep motivating yourself to make good videos and help and entertain people. And guys, even if you have low subscribers, you're just a mini content creator, you can keep motivating yourself to make longer videos, encourage yourself to get people to subscribe to you. Try to get a lot of subscribers as you can to get your first plaque. And guys, thank y'all so much. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I like y'all. You're the best. Thank you. Bye bye. See you later. Just don't forget to hit like and subscribe so I can meet my next goal, 1 million, to get a golden play button. Bye bye.